To perform a firmware update, a user's Linq On Premise server must first be connected to the internet, as well as being authenticated with a valid Reader Manager Technician and System HID Origo account. Firmware update is located within the Reader tab. Firstly, you must, if not done so, already discover your connected readers. This should then give a list of available readers. Next, select the readers you would like to update. You can select one or many. Though it is worth noting, for this version of Linq On Premise, you can only update multiple readers at once as long as your start firmware version and destination firmware version are the same for all selected readers. Linq On Premise also only allows update to the latest released firmware version. Note that the firmware update process may take several minutes per reader, and once started, cannot be interrupted. Do not disconnect or switch off the readers until the update is complete. Once completed, you should see an Update Successful indication.